Hey guys, welcome to Money Moves with Miss B, the Money Lady. All right. So today I want to talk to you about the hidden cash in home improvement loans. Did you know that if you already own a home, you got some hidden cash? And I'm going to show you how to get access to that money, okay, so that you can do some things with it. But first, I want to start out by telling you a story. I just had a client a couple of days ago that wanted to do a second lien on her house. She wanted to do a HELOC. And for those of you all that don't know what HELOC means, it means home equity line of credit. A HELOC. It means that you're going to take some equity out of your existing home and you're going to be able to use it as a line of credit, same as you would a credit card. The difference is that you're using the equity in your home. But I want to tell you about a lady that hesitated. When she called in, spoke with one of our sales consultants, she was telling us about how she really wanted to invest in real estate. She had an eye on, buying a duplex in her neighborhood. And she'd been looking at this property for or properties like it for over a year. She had gone to a couple of banks and they actually had approved her. She had great credit. Credit scores was 725 plus. Great credit. She had over $150,000 worth of equity in her home. And once we were able to do a fast funded pre-approval, we shared with her, hey, you have $150,000 of hidden cash right at your fingertips. Okay, that you can take that money and you can buy that duplex that you want to buy and start, building wealth, right? So her question to me was, well, if I take the money out, how in the world am I going to pay it back? Well, same way you do when you use your credit card, right? And you go purchase something, you're going to pay it back on a monthly basis. The difference between the HELOC or home improvement loan or home equity line of credit is that you can take the money out, you can use it, you can pay it back, and then guess what? You can go get it again. That's the beauty of a home equity line of credit. And that's why it has hidden cash in your house, in your home, or in your investment property or your second home, because you can use your primary residence. You can use the second home that you own as an investment property to take cash out. You also can use investment property. So if you're looking for an opportunity to tap into some equity in your home, and let's say you want to pay off some debts, or let's say you want to build wealth and you want to buy another piece of property, you can do that because you got some hidden cash in your home. All right, now we just finished talking about the hidden cash in your home and how you can take that money and you can pay off debt, do a debt consolidation. You can buy another property and you can start creating residual income by buying some real estate, right? But the thing that you want to make sure of is that you reach out to a professional that can give you the options, right? They can look at your whole picture and say, okay, if you want to buy this duplex or fourplex or a small apartment complex, right? Because you can use the equity to purchase a single family home or multifamily, doesn't matter, right? It's your money. You can do whatever you like. You want to talk with a professional that can give you some options. And I call it more of a real estate investment roadmap, right? Because you need to know how much is it going to cost you to purchase this property, right? How much of that $150,000 home equity loan are you going to have to use as a down payment to purchase that next property? Typically, if you're going to buy an investment property, you're going to need about 20%. Okay, 20% down is what you're going to need. But what I encourage individuals to do is start with a plan. Have a roadmap. Don't just take the money and go on vacation, which you can do that too, if that's what you want to do. But I advise you to create a plan. At Capital City Mortgage, one of the things that we do is we try to help individuals by consulting them, giving them a financial roadmap or a real estate strategy where you're not just taking the money and, going on vacation with it. Because I'm going to tell you something about money. It gets bored, okay? And it goes out the window faster than what you would imagine if you don't put it to good use. So if you want to use the hidden cash in your home and you want to purchase a property, investment property, or you want to invest, give us a call. We'd love to help you understand exactly what you need to do and create yourself a plan.